Acceptance of service refers to agreement by a defendant or his or her attorney in a legal action to accept a complaint or other petition, like divorce papers, without having the sheriff or process server show up at the door. The agreement of acceptance of service must be in writing or there is no proof that it happened. In most jurisdictions there is a form entitled Receipt and Acknowledgment of Acceptance of Service, or similar language, which must be signed, dated and sent back to the attorney who sent the complaint or petition. Attorneys must be careful that they have legal authority from a client to act on his or her behalf, because a client may deny later that he/she gave authority to accept service.